You don't need huge steps to make big waves in your life. In my recent pleasure challenge, the big shifts didn't come from massive efforts. They came from the subtle things. Breathing differently, noticing your patterns, letting yourself simply feel good for an extra 10 seconds. Because transformation doesn't come from force. It happens from awareness, softness, and tiny moments of choosing yourself. Small shifts, micro shifts, create the biggest life changes when done consistently. If you're ready for big waves that don't create burnout, come follow me. This is the new way that women rise. Small shifts, big waves.